What? Hey. What?
What is he doing?
What is this?
Hi, it's Denise and Chomper from Wonderland Boutique, and welcome back to the channel. Today, my first son is with me, and he's very anxious, but we are going to unbox his Barkbox. He's had a few months of this now, and he's getting accustomed to his Barkbox and his special treat that's coming in the mail. And so we've been waiting to open this box for him. This month I actually was able to put in a couple extra treats for him because he loved them from the month prior. So far the subscription has been great. We do have a referral code that I'll put down in the description box below. So if you're looking to order a Barkbox for your fur child, help him earn a free box because this kid loves Barkbox. And Barkbox, if you're listening and you need a bulldog, he's ready and willing to work, especially for treats and squeakers. So if you need a bulldog ambassador, Chomper is ready for hire. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. I do have my handy dandy pocket knife as always. I always have some type of sharp object. And if you can see Chomper just staring because he knows something's in here. Let's put this away. Just put it in my pocket. What is this? What is this? Is this Chomper's box? Is this your Barkbox? Come on, check it out. If you can hear his sniffer, he is curious. Chomper, what is this? Slowly he creeps. What is this? Come here. What is this? What? What is that? Get it. Oh, yes, you're so tough. Get it? Can you open it? Good job! What is this? Oh, hey, can I see that? No, stay here. Okay. He found a squeaker already. Oh my gosh, is this like a heavy metal box? Oh my God, it is. This is so awesome. So, fun fact about me, I am a death metal, like doom, funeral, black metal fan, like hardcore. I don't look like it, but I grew up on like AC/DC and Iron Maiden thanks to my dad. And this month, oh my God, it says Fresh Out of Bags World Tour, and it's heavy metal. Motley Crue, AC/DC, Obey Your Master, Sprayer instead of Slayer. This is awesome. I love this. Iron Mailman instead of Iron Maiden. Pugs and Roses instead of Guns N' Roses.
Twisted Shih Tzus?
Where's Twisted Shih Tzus?
Back. Open it up and flip it over.
Instead of Twisted Sister, Twisted Shih Tzus. Oh, no, please don't bite this. I know you're excited. Instead of Motorhead, it's Motorhound. Appetite for Destruction, Black Labbeth instead of Black Sabbath, Judas Leash instead of Judas Priest, Lick instead of Kiss. This is awesome. I wish he didn't slobber on it because I would save this. This is super cool. What else is in here? So he took off with a stuffy already. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, it's a ball. Oh, it's a squeaker. It's a squeaker with a tongue hanging out of it that has the crinkle material in it. Let's get this tag off. What is this? Can you show everybody? It's... Oh, what? What? Oh, no, these are mine. Okay, all right, bye. So this looks like a record. How awesome. It says hairy metal. Oh, God, I love this theme this month. And it says, they're filthy, they're wild, they're irresistible superstars. Your dog is a legend of hairy metal. Yeah, we're unleashing our wildest Barkbox yet, so you can rock out with your dog out. You know what else you could say there? I'm not going to say it. It's inappropriate. Rock out with your censor me out. Sorry, I can't help myself. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, Chomper. What is this? Behind the squeaks instead of behind the scenes. Can I show everybody? Can I show everybody? All right, so it's a guitar with a ball inside. Okay, he's giving up. And let me take the tag off. Oh, hold on. Let me get the plastic stuff off. I'm probably gonna like cut my finger off. Mommy should not be allowed to handle knives. Let me close that. Something bad will happen. Okay, so it's a big giant ball. Oh, and it has a squeaker. Yep. And then it has like this indestructible material, supposedly. No fluff, but it's furry. But once he grabs onto it, I can pull it from the other side. He loves Barkbox. Okay. Do you want to see if you... Bye. Do you want to see if you get any treats? This says backstage beef and apple-powered dog treats. You want some of this? You want me to open it? Okay. And if you've seen any of my other videos with Tromper, I'm a psycho dog mom, and I will sniff and taste these as well. Oh my God, they're in the shape of a guitar. Oh my God. Okay, this one's like broke a little. Hold on. How? I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's in the shape of a guitar. Hold on. Yeah, I'm eating it. Can I try it to make sure it's okay? It's like the person who tests the food before the king eats, you know, to make sure it's not poison. It's good. Okay, now we have drool everywhere. He's pushed the ottoman. Okay, here. Oh! Oh my God! Somebody's cuckoo for treats. Okay, we had to regroup for a moment. Chomper got a little excited and fell because he was a little obsessed for the beef and apple treats. So we're gonna put those down for a minute and see what else we have in here. What is this? It says Yum Solo Drumstick Chicken. God, can I talk today? Chicken recipe. So it's just a stick. Hi, welcome back. Welcome back. And it's chicken, so. Ow. I can't. As a human, this might not be my favorite. Let's give it to the baby. Sit. Good boy. We'll save the rest of this for later for him. Okay. Mosh Pig. Pork-powered dog treats. I do not eat pork products or any pork byproducts, so I'm not going to be taste testing these, but these are pork-powered dog treats. They're called Mosh Pig. But I will smell them and everything for him. I don't smell pork. I'm also sick, so my sniffer's not working the best, but I'm sure Chomper smells them. Hey, you want to come over here? Can you sit? Show everybody how you do a high five. Oh yeah, high five. Now something extra that I did, every once in a while Barkbox will send you an email and say like, hey, do you want to up your dog's box for the next month and like double the box? You can sometimes add additional treats from previous months. Okay. All I had to do is just take that out of the box. These are the Power Pup protein bars. This is from a month where it was like all workout and Richard Simmons 80s themed. Chomper, I can't even tell you how insane he went for this protein bar. So I paid for 2 extras. Like you can see him just sniffing this. They're not even out of the package. So I paid for 2 extra of these for him this month because sometimes there's things in here he absolutely loves. Is there anything your 4-legged child loves in the Barkbox that you wish you could like reorder and, you know, have the next month? Leave me a comment below about your pup's favorite treat. I'd love to know what they love in their Barkbox. Now Chomper is sitting like a good boy because he is ready for this protein bar. Are you ready? Okay, I forgot. Oh, it's peanut butter and carob or carob. I don't know how to say it, but it's like a fake chocolate because obviously dogs cannot have chocolate. Do not give your dog chocolate. Oh yeah. So when I tried this before, I thought it was good. It tastes like, it legit tastes like a protein bar I've had. It's not bad. Can you show all the bubbles? All the bubbles. Yeah, show all the glory of the drool and the bubbles. Do you want some more? Can you show the camera? Oh, yes. And then Papa's off screen. We're going to have him, oh, reach. Did you see that drool? Did you see that drool? All over. What is that, Chomper? What is that? This protein bar is not going to last long. So, all in all, like, we're very happy with Barkbox. I think this is a great subscription box. I'm happy to get this for him every month. I think it's awesome. He gets his own little special treat, and I love the themes. This is by far my favorite theme that Barkbox has done. Love the heavy metal. I think it's awesome. So again, just to recap, he's got the 2 toys. Each has a squeaker, and they have the little crinkle material in it. Let me kind of show those a little closer. Tubbs McGee is still going for the protein bar. Those
Tongue reminds me of?
What?
Gene Simmons.
Yeah.
Like tongue.
Yeah. I'm sure that's what it is.
Because it's gigantic.
Yeah, and then it has these spikes on it that are like a little rubbery. And then it's got the squeaker inside. Yeah, and then we got the mosh pig, beef and apple, and then the chicken recipe stick. So, and then we have his special protein bar. It's wrapped, sir. It's wrapped. Can you contain yourself? You want another bite? One more. You're going to ruin your dinner. You're going to ruin your dinner. How about paw? Oh, good, paw! Now, when it comes to doing anything special, he won't do it unless you have a treat. Like, high five. Oh, yeah. Can you go down? Down? No, not. Oh, good boy. Oh, God, there's so much slobber. Okay. So, if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe while you're here. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you're not following us on Facebook and Instagram, make sure that you're following us. And it is Denise and Mr. Chomper or Champer or whatever name I call him for the day. Basically, my full baby convocation. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Signing off from Wonderland Boutique. We hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.